A woman accused of murdering her young daughter has faced court in Sydney. 6-year-old Kiesha disappeared from her Mount Druitt home in the city's west in 2010. Kristi Abrahams will stand trial after waiving her right to a committal hearing. Reporter Carl Herr is at the Penrith local court.
Indeed, Nicole. It was July 2010 when Kiesha went missing from her home at Mount Druitt in Sydney's west. It sparked an enormous police investigation, but it took some 9 months and some detailed police work before there was any progress made. And at that point, remains of the child were found at bushland in Shalvey, and subsequently the child's mother, Kristi Abrahams, and stepfather, Robert Smith, were both charged with murder. Now, since then, the stepfather, Robert Smith, has pleaded guilty to manslaughter and being an accessory, and he will be sentenced at a later date.
So what happened in court today, Carl?
Well, Nicole, Kristi Abrahams was due to face a 2-day committal hearing today, and that would essentially test the evidence before and whether it would actually proceed to trial from that point. But this morning, her lawyer indicated that they had decided to waive her right to a committal, which means that the case will proceed directly to the Supreme Court for trial. Now, the magistrate took the opportunity to indicate that he had actually read through some 17 volumes of evidence to do with this case, and he said that it was understandable that there was community outrage and a feeling of betrayal, but he also said that our society was underpinned by the rule of law, and he said that the community must allow the judicial process to take its course, and that will next happen when this heads to the Supreme Court.
So, Carl, what was Kristi Abrahams' demeanour in court today?
Well, this was the first time we believe that she's actually appeared in person in court. Previous appearances have been by way of video link, but today she walked in to court and she appeared to be calm in her demeanour. She sat in the dock for about 10 or 15 minutes as the proceedings got underway. There were a group of supporters from the Mount Druitt community, supporters of Kiesha, who were at the back of the court, and they were looking intently at Kristi Abrahams as she walked to and from the dock, but there was no eye contact from the accused at all.
Carl Herr in Penrith, thank you.
Thanks, Nicole.